and I've been with Open Stage Art since last September. So yeah, it's a way to interact and meet new people and also develop some self-confidence. Thank you.
Now somehow I've ended up in Paris. So that is where I am currently.
Wow.
Actually, I'm teaching at a theatre school called the Cours Florent in English, because my French is merde. And yeah, that's about it really. I'm just here to get a bit more creative with Shakespeare and get back into my Shakespeare. Lost touch a little bit.
Really enjoy it and can't wait until we meet face to face again.
Yeah.
Marcus,
Yes.
including myself, but not including you, there are 12 of us, which fits nicely with plan number 1 that we made.
It does. It does.
So well done, everybody, for being the right number.
I would my horse had the speed of your tongue, and so good a continuer, but keep your way. A God's name I have done.
You always end with a jade's trick. I know you of old.
Lovely. Thank you very much, Julie and Laurence. I think, why don't we discuss that little section before we move on and go through the kind of meanings of the text section by section. So I wonder that you will still be talking, Signor Benedict. Nobody marks you.
No one's listening to you.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Why are you still talking? No one cares. What, my dear Lady Disdain, are you yet living?
So he's just joking back, saying, "Well, you're not worth much anyway."
Exactly. Yeah, pretty much. He's got this. He's clearly got this affectionate, well, somewhat affectionate, somewhat mocking nickname, Lady Disdain, saying she's inherently disdainful and.
Are you still there?
And
are you still there?
Yeah. Oh, are you still here? God, I hoped you would have gone by now. Courtesy itself must convert to disdain if you come in her presence.
I'll be polite any other time, just not around you.
Exactly. Yep.
They're kind of going off each other with a no.
Yeah, pretty much. They are. They're both just taking each other's words, turning them on their heads, and sending them back. Basically, some nice little kind of verbal sparring.
Like a competition, really.
Pretty much,
in a way, yeah.
Yeah, and
like...
the other, yeah, they're doing this as well. A little bit more context. There are other people around as they're doing this, so they're doing it for the benefit of the crowd, basically. They're showing off, both to each other and to everyone else.
Like a Twitter flame war.
Pretty much, yeah. As much as at the start it might seem like, God, I don't know what any of these means. Going through that, it seems like quite a lot of you already knew a fair amount of it, or could figure it out at least. So that's a very good start. This commendation I can afford her, that were she other than she is, she were unhandsome, and being no other but as she is, I do not like her.
Oh.
Meh.
Pretty much, yeah. Though he does afford her the small compliment of saying, were she other than she is, she were unhandsome, meaning
that she's okay looking.
Yeah. If she wasn't as she looked, then she would be less pretty than she is.
Backhanded at best.
A lot of negative.
Extremely. He's negging her, basically.
He doesn't like her.
Yeah, but being no other than he's essentially saying she's all right, but she's not what I'm into. Can the world buy such a jewel? Claudio's
he's in love.
Yeah, he's cute. Wait till you get later in the play, he becomes less cute.
Oh, it's the blood thing about, because they were talking about him looking pale.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean literally lose blood. He means blood drains from his face.
That was,
and then when you drink, you go pink.
When you drink,
I was just thinking, like, is he a vampire? Like, why is he drinking blood?
Yeah.
Well, if ever thou dost fall from this faith, thou wilt prove a notable argument.
If I do, hang me in a bottle like a cat and shoot at me, and he that hits me, let him be clapped on the shoulder and called Adam.
This one, sadly, is quite literal. For archery practice, people would often put cats or other small animals in bottles or a sack from a tree and use them for target practice.
Oh, that's hideous.
Not very nice.
So what he's saying is, well, shoot me down. What?
Yeah.
Down
and he that hits me, basically, whoever has caused this to happen, let him be clapped on the shoulder and called Adam. Adam in this case is another one that that wouldn't necessarily be what you'd think. You'd probably think it would be Adam as in Adam and Eve, but it is actually in reference to Adam Bell, who was a famous archer.
It would be lovely to see you again soon.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Marcus.
My pleasure. Thank you all for indulging me.
organising.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you soon.